Princess, yeah. Princess, yeah. Princess, yeah. Why you?
So cute. My hair is done. Super cute. It's giving real baby face, sweet potato, bean head, sweetie pie. And both my thumbs broke putting on my shoes. I'm about to dip my ponytail. I end up, hold on. I'm all showered, dressed. I used my new body butter. I smell so amazing right now. I did go to Walmart to get some few things Monday. I didn't come on here Monday. Yesterday, I relaxed because it was my off day, cooked dinner. Today's plans, I want to go to the nail shop. We're about to do some yoga. I did this hairstyle and I want to do a tutorial on it. Just like my signature braid look, but I wanted to test it out first. And I braided it with ribbons. It isn't red hair, it's red ribbon. Like, I think I look cute because like you can see my features. That's why I always love wearing like my signature ponytails. I have plots tonight, randomly, so random. I'm going to dinner. Gotta go get an outfit for that. So cute. Spine tat for the summertime. It's super cute. I love it. I look so young. Would y'all like smoking content? My teeth look super white. My sister took my photos and they came out so freaking cute. My twin. Don't show me yet. But stay tuned for our channel. Okay, just gotta get my eyes out of back up. You know what I mean?
Gotta blow them smoking.
So I turned this on. I'm not really feeling this. What? Do they have that?
Excuse me.
Loved it.
You have this in black?
That's mom.
I still, but I don't buy love. It don't come with a coupon and they'll never catch it like
I'm looking for something long.
Maybe I'm tripping, my feelings defined.
That's cute. I just don't like how my boobs look in it.
Gotta keep it, I know I just like they show real love, that's unlikely. Fuck you, I ain't actually like me. Check on your head, but it's nothing like Nike. I just hope you ain't taking it lightly.
I want to wear something long. This is bomb too, though. Look at these, so cute. I know.
La
right?
tuya?
Those-
Okay, miss.
Thank you. I also got this choker. This body chain. Summer looks. Obviously with something more closed, but this is bomb. I got some new earrings. Chill with me in my room at 3 a.m. This might be a new series. I love my hair. Also my robes. Somebody robes split. Anyways. I took a nap. I was supposed to go to work. Anyways, but there's not much really left. I can't wait to take more pictures this year. The reels I got a 510 views. That's really dope. Yeah, I wanted to come on here and talk about detachment. Hold on, let's get the vibes right first. I'll get the next one.
Today, we're going to explore a powerful concept called the law of detachment. The law of detachment is rooted in the belief that the quality of our lives is largely determined by our attitude. It encourages us to focus on what we can control: our thoughts, actions, and reactions rather than things that are beyond our influence. By detaching ourselves from outcomes and adopting a more relaxed approach to life's trials and tribulations, by accepting this reality, we can find serenity in the midst of chaos and live a more fulfilling life. We can embrace a sense of peace and serenity. This philosophy is crucial because it helps us avoid the emotional roller coaster of attachment. When we're attached to certain outcomes or expectations. Disappointment can follow when things don't go according to plan. On the other hand, by embracing detachment, we open ourselves up to possibilities we may not have previously considered. Finally, detachment fosters acceptance and understanding. It helps us recognize that some things are simply out of our control, and that they will happen regardless of our efforts or intentions.
Guys, I just got done having my little dance party. I am 420 friendly. Her right here. I love her. I've completed some of her challenges and I really recommend her. This one was my absolutely favorite challenge that I completed of hers. We're going to do a deep stretch one. Let's set up the mat and let's cleanse our space. Put mat all out. What I'm going to do is sage my space and pray. Just like to clear my head so I can be focused, and I'm about to write a list of like goals and like things I'm going to accept and not accept, and we're going to do like a little reading. So this is, I'm going to say, a mental clarity right now. I really need it these past couple of days I've been having. Let's begin, shall we? So we'll come to a seated position. You can close your eyes or lower your exhale out the mouth. Feet to your close. Open the heart, roll the shoulders back. My toes and nails from the nail shop look so cute. Are you kidding me? Are you so cute, shorties? Got the shorties for the shorty. I cleaned my room. It is now 8:45 and I just got done cleaning and eating dinner, as you guys saw. Let me show you guys around really quickly. Added more batteries in my lights, so this is what my bed is giving. I changed my sheets. This is what my bed is giving. Vacuumed my floor. Yep, I already know. Cleaned this all off. Cleaned my bathroom. It looks so good in here. Smells so good. I got some new rugs today. I need a shower rod for that too. Put my shelf back up. That vase right there. And yeah. Still in that booty, baby. Still in that booty, okay? I gave so many lemons. I love that sauce. Put the money in the bag. We just don't refocus on how pretty they are that they opened up. Compared to these, so pretty. They all literally opened up. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl MISSNICOSLIM, and today is Wednesday. Honestly, we're gonna put all these clips together. I'm gonna catch you guys up later, but I'm headed to the gym now. This is what I'm wearing. I'll show you on the living room because I'm about to make me a parfait because I'm hungry. I did have some fruit earlier. I cleaned up a little bit, straightened up. But yeah, let's make a parfait. Pretty. Leggings, pockets. I love leggings with pockets. A jacket. Yeezys. Eat my parfait and head out. I went to a pole class last night. Yeah, I got 4 other passes I can use to go because I bought a bulk of 5 at one time. And I'm like, I could always bring y'all to another class. Bought 5 passes for a reason. Yeah, I just wanted to feel the vibe out before I went to know how I'm feeling. if I wanted to bring you guys or not, but it was so fun. It was so cute inside. The choreo was pretty fun, a bit humbling. I am athletic already, so I'm like, I got this bag, but it was a humbling experience, especially because I kept slipping and sliding.
Well, is this something that you can relate to at all?
Doing this role because like I vlog and I model, so this was interesting.
Hey, how you doing? Look up a little bit. Not sad. That's the lovely truth about having brown skin. It's like the fountain of youth.
Hey guys, it's 11:55. I just got done shooting a little short form live video. I'll explain later on the whole backstory. But yeah, I had to change into this top because I needed a trendier look. This vest is so cute. I wish I got to wear my whole outfit, but they said the top was fine. Yeah, I'm on court TV, first time in court. Look at how pretty that tree is. See what they got in here. Hi. I'm outside, guys. Fresh squeezed orange juice. So good. I love me some fresh squeezed juice. This is my food, guys. Donut looks so good. Just got home. It was so pretty outside. It is. Y'all. Hold up, let me put my stuff down. Look at these pretty flowers my friend got me. So cute. And they smell so good. Like, look how vibrant and open they are because I put the bleach inside the water. Next to these. Super cute. Y'all, I bought this from the store yesterday. It came in a pack of like 4. It's portable boba. I feel like it's so mid. Like, the balls have no flavor. The tapioca balls don't have no flavor. Tastes like a Capri Sun. What's up with you guys? It's your girl MISSNICOSLIM and welcome to my channel. Oh my god, look at that car. Nobody's driving it. Anyways, so we had a good start today. I just left the grocery store. I got this, I'm always at the store. I got this tropical turmeric wild tonic kombucha. And it is so good. This is one of my favorite kombuchas I've ever tried, honestly. But I got a few things I need. Wanted a parfait, so I needed to get some more yogurt. I got my bundles. I'm about to do my hair today from U-Star. I showed you guys that. I want to go to the gym. I'm gonna go to the gym when I get home, then do my hair. And we have a few exciting things this week that we got to prepare for. If you haven't seen my recent weekly vlog, go check that out. Y'all comment down below if y'all remember Scooby snacks. Like what? Bomb. I can't wait till I get a camera, y'all. I could do different. Forget the OG cinnamon. Love, prosperity, wealth, health. This is my bowl, guys. Yum, yum, yum. Her, she can't eat this, and she looked me up and down like, excuse me? Look at it, y'all. Because I'm always feeding her. Just wanted to show the vibes of my lights, how they look at night. Super cute. Sometimes they're more vibrant, but this is how they look. I'm having some tea and just watching Shogun. This show is so good. Finally at the car wash, guys. So pretty. Farmers market. Thank you.
Oh, wait, what are these ones?
Cute. Got some oranges. We have so many cute booths here. Like, what? Good, how are you? Look at the flowers. Oh, so cute. Which I know. Veggies and everything. Oh, I just bought some flowers and a few items. I'm always buying things every day, but I needed some more lemons for my salad, and I originally came out to buy lemons for my salad. I made a few extra stops, and lo and behold, they were having a farmer's market, which was so perfect. Like, what? Something told me to walk over here this way. Guys, I'm outside. This is so beautiful right now. I'm just so grateful to be here. Butterflies, birds. I was here at this same tree, I want to say probably a year ago. I got my shirt on, thinking how everything works out and it's gonna be okay. Look at this tree. Just soaking in all this beauty, this nature. I needed to be here. Go get some nature. If you haven't got some nature, go get some nature. I'm just sitting, my head is laying on the roots of the tree. I'm taking all the wisdom, clarity, purity from this beautiful tree. Beautiful. Keep going, keep pushing, keep thriving, keep pushing towards striving to be a better you every day. I'm learning that life is about lessons that you learn and what you take away from that. No matter what your purpose is or what your goals are or where you are in the world, keep pushing and keep going.
Yeah. Princess. Yeah. Princess. Yeah. Princess. Yeah. Why your house so bright?